Hello fellas. Welcome to my channel Everyday Unique. In this video we are gonna discuss about 3 best drones around $100. But before starting video I have a request. If you are new on my channel please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. Number 3. Tomzon D25. Tomzon D25 is one of the few drones in this price range that are capable of shooting video in 4K. Flight time is around 12 minutes and the flight range is up to 60 meters. Besides a decent camera, the D25 also comes with a whale slew of useful features such as tap fly, optical flow positioning, and many more. Number 2. Contixo F16. Contixo F16 comes jam-packed with beginner-friendly features. Flight time is around 13 minutes and the flight range is up to 60 meters. Although the video quality is underwhelming, the picture quality is amazing for the price. Number 1. DJI Tello. The Tello has a 5MP camera that can shoot videos in 720p and at 30 fps. The flight time is 13 minutes and the flight range goes up to 100 meters. Even though the Tello's specs are lacking, it's made by DJI, the best drone manufacturer in the business, ensuring quality and customer support you won't get from the other brands in this review. If you enjoyed the video please like the video, subscribe the channel, share the video. If you have any questions you can type in comment section. See you next.